Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So we have done a video very long back. So basically I just got a GoPro Hero 10 now. So I just want to set it up on my car and see what is the camera quality, and how it performs, and how wide it can record. So that's what I want to see from this GoPro 10. So let's set it up in our car, and then we'll see the actual footage and performance of the GoPro 10. So yeah, let's start. So we will just unbox the GoPro. I have already unboxed it, but just for video purpose I'm just showing it again. So this box is already open. So let me show you what are all contents we get it in this box. You get these manuals, GoPro warranty card, and then straight directly the camera, and then the mount with 3M sticker, and then this thing to attach the GoPro. This thing will attach the GoPro and then detach. Like you can attach it anytime and detach it anytime depending on your. Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So I recently got GoPro Hero 10 from Amazon. There is this recent sale, right? Amazon sale. So I got GoPro Hero 10 from there. So basically I got it for a very good deal. I want to post a review video on how GoPro actually performs on a daylight, on a sunny day. So yeah, let's see. So I just got the GoPro. I just only got the GoPro. I didn't get any accessories for it. Basically I'm just recording. This audio is getting recorded from its default mic as of now. So I didn't connect any external mic to it. Just want to see the performance of a default mic, like how good the audio output can be with the default mic. Another major advantage with GoPro here, right, it has this super view. It can cover so much area, it can record so much wide. Even all these modern cameras can't do it, I think, as of now. Very few phones have this feature of taking a wide angle lens. So GoPro is basically, my first impression with GoPro Hero 10 is when I unboxed it and when I holded it for the first time. It's very light, yeah. It's very light and very compact. You can carry it anywhere without any problem. You can just keep it in your pocket just like a matchbox, and then you can carry it anywhere, and then you can instantly take it out and capture anything if you want to. If you want to capture some very good scenery while you're driving, while you're going for a long trip, you can just take out your GoPro from pocket and then you can start recording just with a button. So what does this GoPro do is, when you take out the GoPro and you just click on the record button, it will start recording, and once you are done with recording, you just click on the same button again. It will stop recording and then it will auto shut off. You don't need to shut off again. So that's one good thing with the GoPro. Yeah, I think there is a tanker ahead, so that's why vehicles are moving slowly. Let's see. talking about the accessories of GoPro, you basically need an external an adapter from GoPro to connect an external mic actually. So the adapter is expensive compared to the price of GoPro, because GoPro itself costs 20k. I mean, I'm talking about the GoPro 10, and the adapter cost is around 4.5k. There are two options to connect your basically there are two options to connect your GoPro to an external mic. One is through adapter and the second one is media mod. Basically what does this media mod is also from the GoPro. So basically this media mod allow you to connect it from connect to your external mics. I'm not sure. So I feel both are expensive. The media mod, so I feel both the accessories are expensive. The media mod is basically it is around 7.5k when I checked it in Amazon, and this adapter 3.5mm adapter, this is around 4.5k. Considering the price of GoPro, I think these are expensive, but those are GoPro products, so obviously they are expensive. And the quality you get it from GoPro products, I think you don't get it from the third-party sites. So once you connect this media mod or whatever the mic adapter, right, you can able to connect these external mics, the Rode mic or whatever mics which support 3.5mm. So you can connect all these mics to GoPro. Yeah, this is one thing. Yeah, coming to limitations of GoPro Hero 10, basically it can record your video up to 40 minutes with a standard battery that comes in GoPro Hero 10. But when you go to Hero 11 and Hero 12, right, basically they are giving a separate battery with GoPro Hero 11 and GoPro Hero 10. I have seen it in Amazon also. You can buy it separately also. That's an endurance battery or something, so that will give more backup. I mean 38% more backup compared to the GoPro Hero 10's battery. So you can go for the battery also. I mean you can separately buy it because it is compatible with GoPro Hero 10 also. Yeah, that is one thing to check it out if you want to record longer videos, especially when you go for a trip or vacation or something like that. Yeah, this is one thing. And then one good thing with GoPro is it has two displays. One is at the rear. You can obviously have a rear display. Obviously you will see what you're recording, and there is one more display at the front that you can see the preview, a live preview actually, so that you will get to know whether you're in the frame or you're in the proper frame, or your appearance is proper, your background is proper. Everything can be checked through front camera when you're recording. I mean you can record from both the sides, so that's one good thing. That's one very good thing with GoPro. Yeah, so whatever the accessories you get it from GoPro, right, they're awesome. Their quality is awesome. With the GoPro Hero 10, when I'm unboxing it, right, I got this, I'm not sure whether you can able to see it, I got this mount actually. I set it up on my car's windshield, that is behind this rear view mirror. I think you cannot see it now. So basically whenever you go for any trip or something, right, you can directly mount your GoPro there to the windshield, so it will start recording. I mean it will be stable because it comes with a 3M sticker. It will not move like an ordinary sticker or something. It will not drop even with heavy speeds. So basically you can attach your GoPro to that, and then you can start recording your best videos of your trip. You try to record long videos, right, better to carry 2 to 3 batteries because it takes time to charge. Actually it takes time to the entire journey. So So that's one thing, and I don't see any major difference. I have gone through many reviews when I want to buy this GoPro. There is no much difference between 10, 11 and 12. I think they are almost same except the battery life. And there are few things. In 12 I see you can connect an external Bluetooth devices, like you can connect your Apple AirPods to the GoPro Hero 11 through Bluetooth, and then you can start recording. The default mic will get disabled, and then you can get the audio recorded from your AirPods. That is one thing. In the same way, you can connect any other Bluetooth devices to it. I hope it is recording because I can see that red light is blinking. I have purposefully turned off this front screen just to check how I can able to figure it out whether it is recording or not. There is a red light blinking all the time, which means it is recording. So I'm just recording it in a basic format, 1080p. I think it's 30 frames per second, and then I'm in a super view. Super view is the widest view available on the GoPro. So I think you can able to see much area when I'm driving, which you can't do it through a normal camera. So that's the biggest advantage of GoPro. So GoPros are widely used in motovlogging, especially when you are driving. You can easily talk to the people because you don't need to carry anything. You just buy a head mount like this, and then you can hold it on your head. So the day is sunny and I want to see the performance of GoPro. I have seen many reviews saying that GoPro does very good job when the day is sunny. Like it will give you the clear view of sky. But I'm recording in a basic format, 1080p. GoPro can able to record up to 5.2K cinematic. So yeah. Where is the signal? I can't see the signal. And I'm not sure how the people are moving. I think it stopped working. Thank God roads are empty today. Go. When you come on a weekday on this road, right, you can't see anything is moving. This road is too crowded every time. But this is again around 2 o'clock in the noon. So I'm just, and that too to October 2nd. A national holiday. Nobody wants to come out today because it's a holiday and everyone wants to take rest at home. It's a weekend or something, then we can able to see some traffic on road. We can expect some traffic. People will have some weekend plans, right? But today everyone wants to take rest. Yeah. One thing to specify here is with the GoPro Hero 10, not only Hero 10, Hero 11 and Hero 12, whatever maybe, there won't be any weight difference, much weight difference I feel. So I have used this head mount for GoPro and I don't feel anything. Like, I mean, I literally feel so light it is. That's why you can carry it anywhere without any hassle. Yeah. So I hope you like the video. I'm just stopping it here and let's catch up on next video. Thank you guys.